What's up? So before we get started, I would just like to let you guys know that this video was actually filmed early this year, 2026. I just never was able to upload it because a lot has happened. I actually even almost left this video on the hard drive forever. But then I realized that this is where my journey back to YouTube really started. So I was like, I should just upload it. Kahit na a lot has changed. And as you can see, my hair is one of them. And plus, where I am right now is actually a new house. Like, we had to move all of a sudden. And it was something that we didn't really expect that we were gonna have to do this year. But we ended up having to. I'll give you guys a tour dito sa bahay. But as of right now, this is it. Tulog na siya. See? It's still a mess. We're still cleaning up and unpacking and stuff. Enough of that. I just wanted to let you guys know that this was filmed early this year and that we're back. Back to the video.
Hello, sunshine. Come and see a little piece of life with me. Laugh and dream wherever we go. Mara Velux, let's go.
It's 2026, guys. It's my first video upload and wala naman akong big announcement. It's just that ginagawa ko tong video na to kasi gusto ko lang maging consistent ba. Yun ang pinaka-challenge ko sa sarili ko this year. I mean, I've always wanted to do this pero I've always waited for the perfect moment na never na siyang dumating kasi nga, there's no perfect time to start anything. So, for this year, wala na akong hihintay pang perfect moments, diba? Kasi the more na maghihintay ako, the more na magtatagal lang siya. Kaya, bagong taon, bagong ako. Just kidding. This is not like yung New Year, New Me. Ang gusto ko gawin is i-challenge yung sarili ko na gawin lahat ng mga bagay that I've always put off. Kasi I've always been waiting for the perfect time. This time, gagawin ko lang sila. Hindi na ako yung gagawa ng perfect plan kasi every time I try to overthink it, hindi ko siya nagagawa. So ngayon, gagawin na lang natin siya. And since bagong taon, meron din tayong bagong gear. Nung Christmas kasi, I received a gift from my amor na bago siyang camera. I'm gonna unbox it right now. Kung gusto niyo makita kung ano yun, I'll show you guys. Ito na siya. Isa sa mga bagay kasi na na-realize ko, guys, this 2025 is ang dami kong pinlano. Ito sa mga plano ko, wala naman akong masyadong nagawa. Pinaplano ko siya sa utak ko. Sometimes I write it down. Most of the time, nasa utak ko lang siya. Sana sabi ko lang sa sarili ko, oh, this is what I'm gonna do. Nanonood ako na kung ano-anong motivational na videos, motivational na speakers. Alam mo yun? And guys, ito nga pala. Ito na yun. Ito mga gift na sa akin, ha? Nakikita niyo. Oh, ito pala yun. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Ito na po. Ito na po. Ang ating new camera gear. As I was saying, I've realized I'm not here to chase perfection. The more I chase it, the less I'm able to actually do what it is that I want to do, diba? Para din naman sa sarili ko to, that's why Mara Vlogs. Like, I'll just log yung buhay ko so that I have memories of, or moments na pwede ko mabalikan whenever I feel nostalgic. Gusto ko yung talagang 4K ng memories ko. Alam mo yun? Yung bang meron akong backlog. So, that's what I'm gonna try and do from now on. Anyway, daldal na ako ng daldal. Open na natin to. Okay, guys. Kung may narinig kayong mga humihilig, yung isa kong cat na si Chilme and si Gappy Boy, they're snoring right now. Para sa akin, it's music to my ears, okay? So, it's okay. It calms me down. Anyway, ito na siya, guys. Okay. Put that aside. Okay. May poke pa dyan. Guys, nakikita niyo ba to? Excited na ako. Nasa na yun? Okay. As I feel like, oh my gosh, so cute. Cute! Ang liit. Oh my golly, guys. Ang liit. Teka lang. Oh, huh? It says, go explore, go enjoy, go capture, go create. Ang ganda to. Ang ganda naman ito. Ang liit to. Oh. Can you see that? I love this. Liit. So, a quick start guide, stickers. I mean, hindi naman to talaga unboxing video, okay? Hindi tayo magpapaka-tech savvy today. We're just gonna unbox this kasi gusto ko lang i-share tong moment na to with you guys. Because etong pag-vlog natin, I think the reason that I'm so excited about this camera also is because it's very subtle, you know. It's very little. It doesn't scream out na, hey, I'm a vlogger type of thing when you're outside. And sometimes that's the reason why hindi ako nakaka-upload kasi parang nahihiya din ako na mag-vlog sa labas, diba? At least this way, medyo subtle lang tayo mag-vlog. Hindi pa kasi ako sanay. Kasi yung DJI, parang I feel like mabilis siyang masira because of the stabilizer. Kaya parang mabilis siyang masira pag basta ka lang saksak sa bag mo. But this one, napakadaling itago nito. So, sobrang liit ito. Talaga. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm still using the DJI. I love this. Ang ganda ng video na ito. But this one is tiny. Pwede ko siyang madala kung saan. Like, yung mga spur of the moments. Yung mga spontaneous moments na parang gusto mo lang i-vlog bigla-bigla. Diba? Oh, naka-magnet siya ha. Uy! Lakas ng magnet na yun ha. Ang liit guys ha. Oh my golly. Sobrang liit. Ganda. Okay. So what we get is, I don't know, but as like I said, this is hands-free. Tapos, parang low pressure lang siya kasi syempre, di ba? Liit ka eh. I feel like this one is, is gonna be a good vlogging camera. Okay. So, meron tayong charging cable. Oh, this is it. This is what I see all the time. This goes here. Ay! Lakas nun. Hindi gilid nakakapulat. Okay. Well, nice. So, sabi nila, put it in your shirt para mas stable. And then just have it right there. Eh, lagi pa ako naka-black, guys. Okay to, hindi masyado halata pag pumunta ako ng Costco, diba? Or Walmart. Alam ko, natiturn din to eh. So that kapag may malaki kang chest. Okay, nice, nice, very good. Ano ba? Ooh, this is the hat clip. So, dito mo din siya ilalagay. Wow. Dami na accessories na kasama, guys. Oh. Yan ah. So, if you have a hat, tapos sports ka, naglalaro kami ng pickleball. Di halata sa katawan ko, but, you know, we do play pickleball sometimes. Pero since winter ngayon, di kami nakakapaglaro. Sa summer, perfect to, guys. POV. Nakita nyo, ako doon. What is? Oh, this is the... yeah. Oh, and then you put this in here. Dito. Okay, and how do you get this out? You press this. Press ito. So put it back in. Tapos to release it. Ganun lang. Nice. Lagyan natin ito dito. Okay, wala na siyang laman. That's it. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Ang bigat niya. It's not too heavy. Like, it's heavy in a way where may weight siya na nagsasabi na parang like, I'm good quality. I'm high quality product, you know. I like it. So, pakita ko lang pala how it works. So, this goes in here. Yeah. Nice. Wow. It's really nice quality. Ang ganda niya. Ang liit niya. Ang ganda niya. Parang everyday na magda-daily vlogs ako ah. Joke lang. Alam ko mahirap yan eh. If I could, I would. Paano tanggalin? Paano tanggalin to? So unlock it. And then what? Anyway guys, gusto lang i-share sa iyo yung pag-unboxing ko nitong bagong gear natin that I was gifted for Christmas, and soon I'll be using this sa pag-vlog ko para makita natin kung how it is, you know. Excited na ako. But anyway, I'm also excited for our channel, for this channel na maging pinaka-log ko siya ng daily life ko, ng mga ginagawa ko, no matter what it is. Kaya makikita nyo kung ano ng mga pinagagagawa ko. So, for now, gusto kong i-greet kayo lahat ng Happy New Year. And I wish for everyone this year you guys find what it is that you guys have been searching for. Magawa niyo yung mga bagay na that you've been putting aside. Magawa niyo na this year. Na mag-prosper kayo this year. Na ma-encourage kayo, ma-motivate kayo to do the right thing and to achieve your goals. Kahit na maliit lang yan, try natin. Like, I would like to grow with this channel, and I hope and pray na kayo din, as you guys are watching me, magsama-sama tayo, lift each other up, and encourage natin isa't isa na, you know, become a better person every day. Kahit na isang step lang yan na gagawin natin to become better at doing things, to be a better person, to gain skills and knowledge na would benefit us in the future. Diba? So, that's it. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Bye!
Till next time, don't be blue. I've got more to share with you. Mara Vlogs, see you soon.